嗨，大家好，我叫傅涵。疫情宅在家里期间呢，想跟大家分享一些飞机的小知识。
This is your pilot speaking. My name is Adrian Oberhensli. I'm working from home today.
Pilots should know that an airplane can soar at any speed from its minimum to its maximum. The controlling factor is the angle of attack and not the airspeed. Excessive angle of attack is the only cause of stalls. Prevention of a stall or recovery can always be effected by the simple expedient of releasing back pressure on the elevator control or moving the stick slightly forward. In addition of power will also be helpful. In a turn, an approaching stall may be averted by leveling the wings.
There's the brake. Good.
Cover no lower than 1,500 feet AGL. This is the minimum altitude that you are allowed to descend to during the maneuver.